Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair additional controllers or a new controller to your Nintendo Switch. So if you are trying to use like Joy-Cons or something like that, the easiest way to simply pair it is by going to the dock and then sliding them in place. So just connect them just like this, and your controllers should pair to your Nintendo Switch. So if you are using like a different controller, or maybe you already have those connected, well, there's another thing that we can do. We can go up to the top. So let's go to where it says controllers on the main screen here, and then it'll tell us how to do it. So here's controllers. Now we can see our connected controllers and the system on the top. So we can change the grip order, or we can go to find controllers, but let's go to pairing new controllers. Select this. It says you can pair controllers at any time by attaching them to the console. Once paired, you can use the controllers even when they aren't attached. So just attach them like I showed you, and then you should be good to go. But we can go to Done, or we can view other pairing methods. So it says pairing controllers with a USB connector. Connect to the console using a USB charging cable. So if you have the like Xbox or PlayStation styled controller, you can connect it with a USB cable. Otherwise, the second pairing option is pairing controllers wirelessly. Close the screen and then select change grip order. On the next screen, hold the sync button. Okay, so let's go to close, go to change/grip order right here, and then we can press the L button and the R button at the same time, or the sync button. So we have to hold down the sync button. On this controller, it'll be right here. So you can see it. Just hold this down. Now mine's already synced, so you can hold this down, and it's doing that, and you can see it's paired. So just look for the sync button on your Joy-Cons. Then once it's synced and paired, you have to press the L and the R at the same time. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and then that's connected, so let's press A. Alright, and then we can go to find controllers also. Controllers will be searched for by activating the vibration feature. Okay, so press L and R or on a nearby controller to make the selected controller vibrate. Okay. Okay, so this might be a little bit different. This is just finding your controller. So just come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.